that is nasty. Mamma mia. Nobody wants to look at that. Now time to wash my hands. Yeah! Wait a minute. I have gloves. Oh man, I have to dry my gloves off. Well, how do you think the people like that? I don't know. I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm nervous about that video, Mario. Yeah. It makes me really scared to see if they like it. I hope they don't make that. I hope they don't make that discarded. Wait a minute. Don't we already have a YouTube channel? How are the people watching this right now? You're right, Mario. Well, you're almost up, Mario. You better make sure your video is great, or make another video if your video isn't great, because finished or not, it's gonna be up whenever you're up. Mamma mia. Okay, it's time for my video. No, it wasn't that cool.